shotguns and peaches. Mm-mm-mm. Someday again we'll be spinning in the pigeons, fashioned from the mystical nothing. Someday now I'll be thinking about the mistakes and wondering, should I have done something? We did, we did, we did, we did, we did, we did. Wasting our summers away with shotguns and peaches. So we arrive at our delusions separately as never before, far from terrestrial projections, oh so foolishly forced from the door. From each other we did, we did, we did, we did, we did. Wasting our summers away with shotguns and peaches. Wasting our summers away, shotguns and peaches. Trips to the beach where we talk about things that we both believed. I'm so sorry to see you're different than me. That doesn't mean we can't walk through the trees with shotguns, eating peaches. Don't mean we can't walk through the trees, shotguns and peaches. So we arrive at our delusion, such a tragic conclusion to comedy. Oh, look deep inside in your soul, you might find the remedy, the remedy, the remedy. Oh, forgive me. So you might find the remedy. Look deep inside in your soul, you might find the remedy. That one's for James.